Okay, so next, which statement about horizontal asymptotes of a graph of a rational function is true? So, a, y is equal to 0 in all rational functions. So, wala tayong ganyang rule. Letter B, y is equal to 0. Kailan ba yun magiging 0 ang y? If the degree of the numerator and the denominator are the same. So, ito po ay hindi. So, saan lang mangyayari yon? If the degree of the numerator is less than the degree of the denominator. So, this is the correct answer. Okay, so sa number 16, ang tinuturo ko sa inyo kung paano i-solve to, gumagamit tayo diba ng cross multiply. Pero minsan, pwedeng kahit parang working backward tayo, parang substitution yun pwede. So ako, parang trial and error minsan ang ginagamit ko. Tapos, kunyari, let's say yung x mo ay 3. So, kapag sinubstitute ko ba yung 3 dito sa equation, ano mangyayari? So, 3 minus 2, the answer is 1, diba? Tapos, 3 plus 1 is 4. So, this is 1/3 and this is 4/6. So, they are not equal. So, ibig sabihin, dito yung letter A. So, try and error ang ginagamit ko. So, let's say, yung x mo naman ay 1. So, 1 minus 2 is negative 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. So, negative 1/3 and 2/6 not equal. So, ibig sabihin, hindi rin to. Okay? So, next naman, let's say yung x mo ay negative 5. Kung negative 5 to, minus 2, that is negative 7/3. Tapos, so, negative 5 plus 1 is negative 4. So, not equal. So, ang answer po ay yung letter D. Kasi bakit? Kasi 5 minus 2 is 3. 5 plus 1 is 6. 3 divided by 3, the answer is 1. And 6 divided by 6, the answer is 1. So, equal sila. Okay. So, ang tawag po dyan ay parang triangle. Pwede naman, ituro ko yung cross multiply. Tapos, solve for x. Diba? Cross multiply, then transpose. Make sure ma-isolate si x on the left side. Tapos, lahat ng constant mapupunta sa right side. Para makuha mo yung value. So, pwede naman try na. Okay. So, number 17, which of the following inequalities correctly represent the solution? Pag sinabi mong solution, ito yung parang, ano ba yung mga possible values of x? Okay? So, dito, pwede rin tayong error. Honestly, kapag may mga routine choices, kita mo agad na